Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're looking at a high-yield toner option designed for people who want reliable printing, sharp text quality, and long-lasting performance without the high cost of OEM cartridges. This is the 55B1H00 Black High-Yield Toner Cartridge with chip, compatible with several Lexmark printer models. If you print a lot at home or run a small office setup, this is the kind of toner that can help you save money while still delivering clean, professional results. This specific model is a high-yield design, offering up to 15,000 pages, which means fewer replacements and steady productivity. The integrated chip ensures reliable printer recognition, so installation is quick. Just drop it in and the printer picks it up instantly. No errors, no compatibility issues, and no complicated setup. You get consistent printing from the very first page to the last. Let me pause here, because what really matters with toner replacements is print clarity. This 55B1H00 replacement delivers crisp black text, bold lines, and consistent density across documents, forms, reports, and labels. That's especially important if you print business materials or academic content where detail matters. Smudging, fading, or uneven print tones are minimized, giving you reliable output every time. One of the biggest advantages is cost efficiency. Compared to OEM Lexmark cartridges, this replacement cartridge provides similar page yield and quality at a fraction of the price. For students, home offices, and small businesses, that cost-to-value ratio is a huge benefit. And because the cartridge uses high-quality components and precise manufacturing, you get stable performance whether you print occasionally or in large batches. If you're looking for a long-lasting, budget-friendly toner option that fits multiple Lexmark models and offers professional print results, the 55B1H00 high-yield toner cartridge is definitely worth considering. If you want to pick one up, the Amazon link is in the description below. Thanks for watching Gadgetverse. Make sure to like, subscribe, and check out our daily product reviews.